Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I am going to be customizing this buffalo plaid pillow cover. I got this from Craft Chameleon, and this is a great project for Christmas time because we can take our pillow covers, they have a zipper, and we can change them out for all of our different seasons. Now buffalo plaid is a big trend going on right now, so this is something that I think is going to fly out of your store if you are selling it. Okay, so here is my pillow cover. What I really love about this is it looks like burlap right here, but it's a smooth polyester pillow cover. And it's got a zipper on the bottom right here, so you can put your pillow form inside. So this pillow cover is an 18 by 18, so a decent size. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-press it to get this line from shipping out of the middle. That line is pretty good to help line up the center of your design, but sometimes if your fold is too prominent, it can really affect your press, and it can affect how your vinyl is put on. So we know the good thing is buffalo plaid has a bunch of lines, that this is still the center of my pillow cover, and I have a little bit of the bend right here. So we're still doing fine. Now, here is my design. Super cute. So this is in Siser glitter and old gold, and what I did is I used the new TRW Flutter font, and then I used a crest from our crest pack here. All I did is I took one and I deleted out this middle part here. I didn't like it, but then there we go. So now we're going to center this onto our pillow form. That's about the center of my design. We have it set like that. Now keep in mind, it does look like there's a decent amount of space, but this is going to go around a pillow. So we're going to kind of bunch these sides here. So this is going to take up a big chunk of my pillow. And honestly, I think it's going to look really, really nice. So we're just setting this up a little bit more, figuring it out. The hardest part you're going to have with working with a script font like this and the Flutter font is just that it curves a little bit. So you want to make sure you have it set really well. So let's go ahead, grab our cover sheet. And we're going to go ahead and press this for 15 seconds. So my heat press is set to 320 degrees. I am pressing Siser glitter and old gold. And again, these pillow covers are from craftchameleon.com. I'll post a link to the pillow covers in the description. So let's go ahead and press for 15 seconds. Great, so there's my press. Let's go ahead, remove our cover sheet, and then we can go ahead and lift off our carrier. It looks really good. You may have too, if you look closely, some of the color came off on here. That's totally fine. It's just part of the dyeing process of the pillow cover. If that's something you don't like, you can do a couple presses and then kind of lift it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press the other corners of my pillow. Because it was hanging off, they're kind of like wrinkled, and I want them all to be even. So we're just going to go through, move it over, go right here, move this over, and then continue on. I'm just bringing my press down for a couple seconds, nothing big. And then you just want to be careful here. This does have your zipper on here. So here it is, guys. My super cute buffalo plaid and gold pillow. Now, you can't deny buffalo plaid is a big trend going on right now. So if that is something that you're selling to, just go ahead and embrace it. So again, I got these pillow covers from Craft Chameleon. I will link it below. It's something that I really love, and I like that it has this burlap look to it, but it's a soft polyester blend, so it looks really, really good. I really enjoy it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more tutorials. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you like Christmas. Give me a thumbs up if you like vinyl. Give me a thumbs up if you're awake. Just give us a thumbs up.